Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Gordon Ramsay's easy coleslaw. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of finely shredded green cabbage, 2 cups of vibrant purple cabbage, and 1 cup of grated carrots. For the creamy, tangy dressing, have ready 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of celery seeds. A pinch of salt and pepper will complete our flavor profile. Now, let's get those vegetables prepped perfectly. The key to a great coleslaw is finely shredded cabbage. Use a sharp chef's knife or a mandolin to achieve thin, uniform strips of both your green and purple cabbage. Then, grate 1 cup of fresh carrots. This precise preparation ensures every bite has a delightful crunch and that the dressing coats all the vegetables evenly, making for a truly satisfying side dish. Next up, we're crafting the star of our coleslaw, the tangy, creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Then, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for that perfect balance of tang. Stir in 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of celery seeds, which adds a unique depth of flavor. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Pour your freshly made creamy dressing over the finely shredded green cabbage, purple cabbage, and carrots in a large mixing bowl. Toss everything thoroughly until every single piece of vegetable is beautifully coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 1 hour. This crucial chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and develop, giving you a truly delicious and refreshing side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.